Hello guys, I am Santosh Singh and today we are going to see installation of React.js. So let's see the installation of React.js, and today we will only see the theory part, and in my next session we will see the practical part. So let's see these things one by one, and welcome to my channel. So here we are seeing that environment setup for React.js. How to set an environment for the React.js application? Let's see. So these are the essential requirement. You should have these things for React.js. First, Node.js and npm. Second is the React and React DOM, and third is the Webpack and Babel. So these four things you need for React. So we will see that what is the purpose of Node.js, React, Babel and Webpack. So these are the essential requirement. These are the essential requirement Node.js and npm. So Node.js is a runtime environment which includes everything you need to execute a program. Node.js is written in JavaScript. npm is the sort of Node package manager. npm is the command line interface to the npm ecosystem. So this is all about the Node.js and npm. For React, you only need to download Node.js and you only need to install the Node.js. And Node.js have the all package related to React. So next things what need? Next essential requirement is React and React DOM. React and React DOM were split into two libraries due to arrival of React Native. React DOM acts as a glue between component and DOM. You will be using render method of React DOM to render component in the DOM. So you need the React and React DOM. And next things is the Webpack. And what is the Webpack? Webpack is an open source JavaScript module bundler. It is a tool that lets you compile JavaScript modules, also known as module bundler. For running your app, it generated large number of files into a single files or a few files. So Webpack is a module bundler. It bundles the your module. It bundles the your large number of files into few files, into some files. When you compile, then Webpack make bundle of that files. So next things is the Babel. Babel is the JavaScript compiler. Babel is a free and open source JavaScript transcompiler that is mainly used to convert ECMAScript 2015 plus code into a backward compatibility version of JavaScript that can be run by older JavaScript engine. So Babel is a JavaScript compiler. There are so many compiler, but Babel is very much popular. So Babel is used for compiling in React. So these four things you should only know, and you should have these four things for React and nothing else. So let's see the next things. To create React.js project, we will see that what needed. What you need to do? You need to download the Node.js only. So you need to have Node greater than 8.10 and npm greater than 5.6 on your machine only. And download and install Node and npm from below link. From below link you can download and install the Node.js. And after installing the Node.js, you can install the Visual Studio Code. This is an IDE. You can use any other IDE like Edit Plus or Notepad++, but Visual Studio is best for using React or any other JavaScript framework like Angular or Vue. Visual Studio is one of the best IDE. So you can download and install Visual Studio by this link. And after downloading and installing, please do the following things. You need to do these commands on command line. Don't worry, we will see the practical part in my next session. So you can do these things your own first, and if you face any issue, then we will see these things in my next sessions. After installing Node.js, you need to write npm space create hyphen react hyphen app space my hyphen app, and you need to put enter. So it will take some time, and your first project my hyphen app will be installed on your machine, and after installations you can do the cd space my app. It means you are going to this directory, and after entering this directory you need to start npm, and for npm you need to do npm space start. By this way your React app is installed and it will start. So like this way you can install and start your React app. And if you face any issue in installing your React app, so it means your create React app command is not properly installed, or it might be installed any other location and you are creating your app any other locations. So what you do? You need to do these things. If you face any issue while installing React app for first time, then do the following things. It means you need to remove the your create React app, and after removing you need to install it again, and you need to install your my app project again. So you need to follow these things: npm space rm space hyphen g space create hyphen react hyphen app, press enter, and after removing you need to install it again, and for installing you need to do npm space install space hyphen g space create hyphen react hyphen app, and press enter. And after that you need to create your own app like these things. And npx, not npm, this is the npx space create hyphen reject hyphen app space my hyphen app, and press enter. And now your React app my hyphen app should be installed. So guys, today we only see the theory part, that how to install a React on your system. This is very simple step, and in my next session we will see the practical part, that how it can be. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.